Let's review how to estimate answers for multiplication questions by rounding to tens, hundreds, or thousands. Let's take a look at the problem 7,804 times 590. We're being asked to estimate the value of this problem. So I'm first going to round both numbers so that I can solve this mentally, so I can solve it in my head. So 7,804, I'm going to round to 8,000. I'm going to round 590 to 600. Now this is a problem that I can solve in my head. We're going to take a look at the non-zero digits. So the non-zero digits in this problem are 8 and 6. I'm going to multiply 8 times 6 and get 48. Now I have to take a look at the place value to figure out how many zeros I have to add to the end of this number. Because I know 8,000 times 600 is not 48. We know that here we had 8,000 and here we have 600. So I'm going to need to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros to my answer to make sure that I've put the 48 in the correct place so that it's representing the correct place value. So 8,000 times 6,000 equals 4,800,000. Remember, we put our commas in at the very end after we've written in all of our zeros so that we make sure that we have 3 digits in each period. Okay, let's go ahead and try another one. Now let's estimate the value of 529 times 340. Once again, I'm going to round both numbers so I can solve them in my head. I'm going to round 529 to 500 because I have a 2 in my tens place, so I don't want to round that up. Remember, I still want the best estimate. For 340, I'm going to round to 300 because I have a 4 in my tens place. So the closest estimate would be 300. And now I can solve. I'm going to take a look at my 2 non-zero digits, 5 and 3. 5 times 3 is 15. Now I need to take a look at my zeros. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. Now I'm going to add in my comma. And my answer is 150,000.